How to update your name servers at Dynadot. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through Dynadot and starts from their homepage. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's nameserver settings. Click Login in the upper right of this homepage to log in to your account. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. Click the Dynadot parking link under Nameserver. Click Nameservers. Enter your nameservers, then click Enter Nameservers. That's it. The domain name's nameservers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new nameservers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's nameserver settings at Dynadot.